Hello, HSU. Follow along here as we go over the Keep Teaching Student Engagement and Collaboration workshop in Canvas. This session will include an overview of the tools built into Canvas to help you engage your students in learning. We will review features such as Canvas groups, discussions, the collaboration tool, peer review and assignments, and how to use Canvas pages to create a wiki. Also, we will look at your support resources, ways for you to get help easily. This workshop will provide a brief overview of Canvas features designed to promote student engagement and collaboration within your Canvas course. By the end of this session, you will be able to integrate the engagement and interaction tools that support your instruction, as well as locate Canvas self-service resources. Keep in mind, HSU has specific resources. Support for you on HSU campus websites. For example, the Keep Teaching site, the Keep Learning site, CTL Canvas site, Student Engagement and Collaboration in Canvas tutorials, and the Canvas guides. The Keep Teaching site is geared towards instructors and offers resources, tutorials, and more. The Keep Learning site is geared towards students and offers ways in which they can take care of their health, get tech help, and take care of their education. You will find step-by-step video tutorials on the Student Engagement and Collaboration in Canvas page. Here you will learn how to create groups, discussions, collaborations, and peer review. Groups are a small version of a course and used as a collaborative tool where students can work together on group projects and assignments. Instructors can create groups for students to collaborate on group assignments, pages, collaborations, and more. Additionally, instructors can also allow students to create their own groups. They can create groups manually, or they can require that Canvas create groups automatically. In addition, you can assign group leaders. Within each group set, you can create groups for your students to participate in. In addition, you can limit the amount of members that can belong to each group. Instructors can manually add students to groups by dragging the student name to the appropriate group. You can also have Canvas randomly assign students to groups. Instructors have the ability to view all activity within all the groups within their course, including groups created by students. Canvas discussions allow for interactive communication between two or more people. Users can participate in a conversation with an entire class or group. Discussion topics can be organized as focused or threaded discussions. Focused discussions only allow for 2 levels of nesting, the original post and subsequent replies. Threaded discussions allow for infinite levels of nesting. Focused discussions are relatively short-lived interactions, while threaded discussions allow replies within replies and may last for a longer period of time. Discussions can be created as an assignment for grading purposes and seamlessly integrated with the Canvas gradebook, or simply serve as a forum for topical and current events. Discussions can also be created within student groups. Canvas collaborations allow multiple users to work together on the same document at the same time. Collaborative documents are saved in real time, meaning a change made by any of its users will be immediately visible to everyone. Canvas leverages collaborative technology, including Google Docs, Sheets, and presentations. You can use collaborations to copy and paste notes that everyone can access, create a text-based whiteboard that everyone in the classroom can see and refer to later, and assign student groups a collaborative assignment as a graded assignment. In addition to collaborations, students can use Pages as a wiki by changing the setting on the page to allow students to edit. The peer review feature enables students to provide feedback on another student's assignment submission, facilitates communication between students, and can help students master the concepts of a course and learn from each other. In Canvas assignments, instructors can assign students by name to review each other's work, or have reviews randomly distributed with a single click. This randomization process can be set up ahead of time, so it happens automatically after all original assignments have been submitted. In addition, you can select the setting to keep peer reviews anonymous. As the instructor, you will be able to tell which reviews have been completed from the peer review area of the assignment and click to view them. Do you have questions or need help? Feel free to reach out to us. You have support resources such as the Keep Teaching website, or contacting the Center for Teaching and Learning directly at extension 4461 or by email at ctl@humboldt.edu. You can also contact the Help Desk directly at extension 4357 or via help@humboldt.edu.